The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lawrence County in upstate South Carolina, east central Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, southwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Greenville downtown, or near Five Forks, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Fountain Inn, Woodruff, Simpsonville, Five Forks, and Malvern. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Greenville, Lawrence, and Spartanburg.